orange light blinking light on Xfinity router. So if it blinks orange, it usually means the modem is having trouble connecting to the internet or completing startup. So let me tell you how to fix this and what it means step by step. So a blinking orange on most Xfinity gateway means the modem is trying to connect. There's no internet signal yet, or it's stuck during setup. And now getting to the steps. Firstly, make sure that the coax cable is tightly screwed into the router. Also tightly connected to the wall outlet and not damaged or split. Remove any coax splits if possible, they can weaken the signal. Then you're going to do the power cycle, unplug the router from power, wait 60 seconds, plug it back in, and then wait up to 10 minutes. The light should now go from blinking orange to white. Then open the Xfinity app or Xfinity status page and check for outages. So some of them might be in your area and this may cause this blinking light. If there's an outage, the orange light will stay on until the service is restored. Then if this is a new router, you can reset it. Then if this is a new router or a reset router, you may need to activate it. Open the Xfinity app and follow the on-screen activation steps. And if nothing works, press and hold the reset button on the back for 30 seconds. This will erase Wi-Fi name and password. So hopefully this helps. That's how you fix orange blinking lights on Xfinity router. If this helped, of course don't forget to leave a comment. If it did, we are curious to hear about your feedback. And thank you for watching.